Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris. I'm just another review guy, and today we're going to be reviewing a product from Chemical Guys called Lucent Spray and Shine. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to wash, dry, and then clay bar the hood on the black BMW. Alright guys, the next step we're doing on the hood to prep the paint for Lucent is we're going to go ahead and clay bar the entire hood. Alright guys, so we gave the hood a really quick clay bar. Let's go and rinse it off. My hands are nice and dirty from getting all the contamination off the hood, so I feel good about doing the clay bar. So let's get this hood rinsed down. Alright guys, so we just got done drying the hood off after rinsing off clay. We clay barred it, we rinsed off all those contaminants. So we put the blue tape on, so when we use Lucent, you can kind of see if it makes a difference in the paint. It's hard to tell today because of clouds and the sun and the glare, but there's a lot of hard water spots on this hood that we can't remove with the clay bar. So that brings me into the next video where we will be reviewing Chemical Guys hard water spot remover. So if that's something you're interested in, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you're reminded of my next video. Comes out in about a week. But as you can see on the hood, it's hard to tell, but all this is washed with black light, clay bar to get contaminants off. Now we're gonna go ahead, Lucent on this part of the hood, and then we're gonna use Lucent right down the middle between the two blue tape, and then this side here will not be treated with Lucent. So guys, let's go ahead and spray it, wipe it off, and see how it works. Alright guys, so today we're going to be using the Lucent Spray and Shine. It's a new product from Chemical Guys. Basically it's spray it, wipe it, and it gives your paint a nice shine. Now it is considered a detail spray, but you really want to make sure that your hood is washed because you don't want to be using this with a dusty ass hood and it scratches up your paint. So as you seen a little bit ago in the video, we washed it with black light, dried it off, clay barred, rinsed it off, re-dried the paint, added the two blue stripes so we can see how Lucent works. Now Lucent gives you an extreme slick finish to repel dirt, dust, and other dirt like bird crap or whatever, right? So we're gonna give this a quick little try. It's supposed to work just a spray and wipe. We don't have to let it dry. We don't have to let it get hazy. Now, depending on the temperature where you're at and when you use it, it will get hazy, so you will need to buff it off. Don't worry, it won't hurt the paint according to Chemical Guys. Today, it's cold as shit. It's like 40 degrees, but there's no rain. So I have to bang a video out today because it's gonna rain all next week like it did all the week before. Yeah, if you live in Oregon, you know this weather is very temperamental here. Lucent looks cool. It's a bright yellow pilot cooler or black light. Smells lemony, fresh, so that's always nice when you have a chemical that smells good. But other than the babbling, guys, let's just go ahead and spray the hood and let's see how well this product works. This hood, as you saw, it did have some nice beading already because it has a ceramic spray on it from Armor All. That spray works amazing. Check out the video in my list. I do a couple reviews on that. So let's go ahead and get it done. You only need on this hood probably about 6 squirts. And just wipe down. I would like to mention, guys, that Chemical Guys also recommends that you polish the car, so you wax it and then you use this to get the ultimate shine from this product. But let's be honest, if we have to buff our cars and wax our cars just to get an ultimate shine from a product, then we really probably don't need the product unless we're doing quick detail at the car shows, right? So I didn't polish this hood because I want to see if this can actually increase the shine without doing a complete polish. Also, I am using a premium microfiber towel from Chemical Guys, and yes, I did remove the tag as you should so you don't scratch your paint. Let's go ahead, guys, and let's spray in this center here. This car does have PPF on the front, so I'm not trying to wipe the PPF with this Lucent spray. Now I am going against the grain. I'm going up instead of down. But at the end of the day, doesn't really care. As long as you're consistent in the motion, forward or back. Would like to, one funny thing here, you know me guys, if you watch my channel long enough, I like to do jokes and stuff, but this isn't a joke. So, I bought this brand new from a Chemical Guys store, and when I got it, it had a big ass spider in the bag. But the spider was crunched and crushed a little bit from packaging, but look at that. Big ass spider, brand new bag of microfiber towels from Chemical Guys. I mean, I love you guys, Chemical Guys, but either your spray bottles are junk because they break, or there's spiders in the microfiber towels now. I mean, but I still love your product, so I'm not hating. Let's go ahead and give it one more spray, guys, down the center. Alright, so we're done. Now let's get a closer view of the paint as we remove the blue tape to see if there's any shine definition between the lines. Now, one tool I did order for my reviews, guys, is I ordered a gloss measuring device. It actually measures how glossy your paint is. You know, after you paint your car, if they do how many coats of, you know, how many coats of gloss, or when you wax your car, how much more reflective your paint is. I do have that tool coming so we can actually not just do it by sight, but do it by science. So guys, let's get closer to the car. Alright guys, let's go and peel the tape and let's see how much shinier it looks. I'll be honest right now, I don't see no difference, but all we're looking for is a line. And a difference in the color. Alright, well, not sure if the camera can pick that up, but there's a definite line and a definite difference in color where I sprayed the Lucent and where the tape is. Let's go ahead and grab another premium microfiber towel. Now this is where the line was right here, and when I'm looking at the paint, I'm trying to see if it's because I didn't buff it right or if it's wet, but it's not wet. Alright guys, so there's definitely a difference in the color. It actually works. I'm really surprised. Okay, where I sprayed the Lucent and where the tape was, the Lucent, the black is a lot deeper of a black now than where the tape was. Definitely can see the difference with my eyes. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up. It's super hard with the glare and the light. Apologize for that. But yeah, I would say Lucent spray, it's a win. Alright guys, so at the end of the video, Lucent spray works. It actually made the black on the hood darker than where I taped it off. So wash the paint, clay bar the paint. If you were to polish your hood, it'd even work better probably. But I didn't polish the hood because I wanted to see how it would work without the polish. But I would say that Lucent Spray Shine, it actually worked. It made the paint and the black darker. So this gets a win for me. Chemical Guys also says on their page that you can use this As when you're drying your car, you can spray the car while it's wet, and it makes it a little bit easier to dry. I guess with less resistance when you're pulling your woolly mammoth towel. I haven't tried it, and I'll try it on maybe my Z just to see if it actually works. I know they have other products out that you can spray when the car's wet to help dry it faster, and I'm going to try to do some reviews on those when it's a little bit warmer. Also, guys, like I said, the next video we will be using the water spot remover on the black hood, because there's a ton of hard water spots on the paint and also on the PPF. Now, this car is a 2011 and it lives outdoors, so it's gonna have a lot of harsh spots from the weather. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it useful, or if you found it informative, consider subscribing. It helps me, helps the channel. If this is on Amazon, I'll put a link in the description below where you can pick it up. That is an affiliate link, and every couple pennies from a sale I make go towards buying more product. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching. Hope you all have a blessed day. Keep on washing your cars, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.